Welcome to our next generation outdoor image projector, the Exterior Projection Pro Compact. This new solution offers great versatility to meet your creative ideas. The modular design allows for various configurations with up to 4 layers of effects. This does not only allow for multiple creative options, but also reduces complexity, cost and weight when only installing the effects required for the specific installation. And of course, the Exterior Projection Pro Compact is fully outdoor rated, designed for permanent outdoor and indoor installations. Let's take a closer look at the solution. The fixture comes with a 130 watt white light LED engine, which provides more than 5000 lumen out of the fixture. It also has an integrated zoom and focus system, which allows for the beam to be adjusted from a narrow 15-degree beam up to a wide 45-degree beam. It means it's very easy to adjust the image or the pattern to the desired surface of the building or the facade. The fixture also has an inbuilt color wheel with 5 colors plus open white. It also provides some nice split colors and smooth transitions from one color to the next. So now we talked about the integrated effects in the Exterior Projection Pro Compact. From here on, it's up to you which additional effects you want to install. On the top of the fixture we find the service lid, where it's easy to install additional effect modules. There are 4 effect modules to choose from. That gives a total of 11 different effect combinations. So let's walk through the different modules. The first module is a 1 gobo module, where you can adjust the rotation speed in both directions and index the gobo with 16-bit accuracy. The second module is a 4 gobo module, where you can choose between 4 gobos. You can adjust the rotation speed in both directions and you can index the gobo with 16-bit accuracy. Then we have the animation effect. The animation effect gives this additional layer on top of the gobos to create a rippling effect, which is super nice for water and fire effects. You can control the speed and direction of the animation wheel. You can also manually control the position of the animation wheel in order to choose between horizontal and vertical animation effects. In fact, you can use the animation wheel on its own, even without a gobo module installed. Finally, we have a manual framing module. The manual framing module comes with 4 blades, and each blade we have 2 finger wheels where you can adjust the insert and angle of each blade. Once you have framed your image to fit the desired surface, you can lock all the finger wheels with this lid here to ensure that the framing stays in place. By choosing your combination of the different effects modules, you can make the perfect combination for your application in order to reduce complexity, reduce weight and reduce cost. The projected image has a nice flat field with high contrast. The efficient optical system provides full lumen output in the entire zoom range. On the back side of the product, you find a dedicated compartment box for installation of power and DMX cables. The fixture is delivered without any cables, and the reason for this is to enable the integrator to install the cables in the desired lengths to fit the application. Another option is to use our PD Power Data Hybrid Cable Kit. With these IP-rated hybrid connectors, you can make an easy daisy chain of Exterior Linear Pro, Exterior Wash Pro and Exterior Projection Pro products. Once the fixture is installed on site, you can use our magnetic tool to check the installation and focus the fixture. You'll see here on the front of the fixture a magnetic symbol. When I swipe the magnetic tool in front of it, the fixture will turn on the main beam, and in this case the blue color indicates that power is connected, but it's not receiving DMX. If I now connected DMX, the color would turn into green. Now if I swipe one more time, it will go into open wide in narrow zoom setting. Swipe one more time, it goes into medium, and one more time it goes into wide zoom setting. So this can be used to aim the fixture in the correct position. So the magnetic tool enables the installer locally on site next to the fixture to check the connections and also focus the fixture. Setting the DMX start address and other configurations can be done via RDM using a controller or a local tool like the DMX CAT. Programming can be done via any industry standard DMX controller. Using Martin Companion, you can program inside the fixture a standalone program with up to 20 scenes with individual fade and hold times. You can even connect Exterior Wash Pro, Exterior Linear Pro and Exterior Projection Pro in a synchronized standalone show. In normal operation, the Exterior Projection Pro Compact consumes around 160 watt. In idle operation, it consumes 10 watt. However, we have a dedicated control channel. Via DMX, we can set the fixture into a hibernation mode, which reduces the consumption even more, all the way down to 3 watt. The Exterior Projection Pro Compact meets rigorous environmental standards. It has an IP66 ingress protection rating, it is IK08 vandalism rated, it's surge protected to 4 kV, and it's fully C5 marine graded. And it's all backed up by a 5-year warranty. The fixture is fully designed for permanent outdoor and indoor installations. So there you have it, the Exterior Projection Pro Compact. This new fixture sets a new standard in outdoor image projection with its smart modular design, high optical performance and durable build quality.